Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the rear main seal on Ford C-Max MK1 2 liters petrol. This car is equipped with the 2 liters petrol engine and engine code AODA, but the procedure is similar if you have the engine code AODB or AODE. First you need to remove the transmission, and also you need to remove the flywheel. You can see there is oil behind the flywheel. That's from the rear main seal. To remove the flywheel, I'm using Torx T55. After I remove the flywheel, I'll have access to the rear crankshaft seal or main seal. I have a video on my channel of how to remove the gearbox and also the clutch. So if you need to know how to do that, you can find the video on my channel. That's the flywheel removed, and that's the rear crankshaft seal right there. The crankshaft seal is held by those 6 bolts that we need to remove. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the 6 bolts removed. Now we need to remove the crankshaft seal. I'm going to use 2 pry bars and I'm going to pry out the crankshaft seal a little bit from one side and from the other side, and it came out, and you can see there is a little oil coming out as well. And this is the rear crankshaft seal, and I'll show you how it looks like on the back. That's on the back. Next, I'm going to wait for all the oil to stop dripping. I'm going to clean the space where the new crankshaft seal is going to be sitting. I'm also going to remove all the silicone that was added on the last crankshaft seal. There was silicone, a lot of silicone on this edge right there. I need to clean all the spaces where the silicone was sitting, and next I'm going to put on the new crankshaft seal. This is the part number for the new crankshaft seal, and this is it right there. I'm going to take it out of its package, and I'm going to put silicone on the seal before putting it on the engine. That's the crankshaft seal out. Now I'm going to remove this paper, and don't remove this cap, because this is the cap that is going to help us put the seal onto the crankshaft. It goes in like that. Before putting it back on, first I'm going to put some silicone on the crankshaft seal. I'll show you where I put the silicone. This is the silicone that I'm going to put, gasket maker. I need to put very thin layer of silicone on the seal. You'll see exactly where I'm putting it. I'm going to put the silicone on my finger, and that's how I'm going to put it onto the seal. I'm going to put it around all the black spaces. You can see around the whole seal. Make sure you put a thin layer of silicone, don't put too much. I also need to put some silicone on the two holes for the two bolts that are on the bottom, where there is black around it. I need to put silicone on both these places. Make sure the layer of silicone is not that thick. Now I'll show you a closer view of where I put the silicone on. Here you can see around the whole crankshaft seal and onto the two holes on the bottom. Next I'm going to get my silicone and go to the engine and put some silicone there as well. I need to put silicone around the whole edge on the bottom. First I'll put the silicone, then I'll show you how I've put silicone around the whole edge. Here the line, the layer should be a little bit more thicker, but not too thick. And now I'll show you a closer view of how I put the silicone on the edge. Here you can see how I've put the silicone. It's not a thick layer. That silicone should be enough. And next I'm going to put the crankshaft seal back on the engine. Remember, don't remove this white cover, because that's the cover that will help us put the seal onto the crankshaft. Put the crankshaft in its place and push it in evenly on all sides without removing the white cover. Now I need to push it in from both sides. Here you can see it's going in evenly on both sides. I need to push it a little bit more until it touches the back of the engine. Here you can see that as I'm pushing it in, the white cover is just coming out, and once the crankshaft seal is in, I'm going to remove this white cover or white cap or whatever it is. I think the crankshaft seal is all the way in. Next I'm going to put on the 6 bolts. Now that all the bolts are on, next I'm going to remove this white cap and I'm going to tighten all the bolts. The tightening torque for all the bolts is 10 Newton meters. Once I tighten all the bolts, then I'm done replacing the crankshaft seal, and now I can put on the flywheel and assemble everything else in the reverse order. I also have a video on my channel of how to remove the transmission and the clutch, So if you need that, you can find it on my channel. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.